Independents also had people's mandate. If you
I don't know, is it anybody's case before
Yes,
us?
I'm going to come to that.
No, you don't know what I'm going to ask. Is it anyone's case before us that the seats should remain vacant? I've not heard that from that side.
No,
This side is saying they should come to me. The other political parties are saying that they should come to them, but it's nobody's case.
Yes.
Why are we exploring something which nobody is pleading?
Yes, and Mr. Siddiqui,
Because
if I recall,
the general principle
took a
of
position
cases
on this.
before the Supreme Court is you should only adjudicate on matters which come before the Supreme Court. So why are we going into, why are you spending so much time on the seats can't be left vacant? Nobody wants the seats to be left vacant.
And I believe Mr. Siddiqui did take a position on this when a question was asked, and he said that they can't be left vacant, if I recall it correctly. So clearly,
No,
there was
Mr.
no
Siddiqui's
position
whole
taken on
case
that.
is they should come to the Sunita Council. It's
Yes.
as simple as that. Nothing complicated
This
about
is the
this
last
case.
part where I will address this.
अच्छा,
What
दूसरी
can and
बात ये
cannot
है
be
कि
done.
अगर हम सिंपल प्रोपोर्शनल रिप्रेजेंटेशन होती तो एक तरीका कार तो बड़ा आसान था. जितने ये सारे क्लॉजेस की जरूरत ही नहीं थी. एक शिक होती 5% वोट मिले तो आपको वो इतने मिल जाएंगे ऑटोमेटिकली, आपको किसी को सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं है, टक करके कर दें. तो ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टी ये वगैरह इसमें कोई लिखने की जरूरत नहीं थी. जिस पॉलिटिकल पार्टी को जितने सीट मिले बस उसको आप दे दें इलेक्शन में.
वो पॉपुलर वोट की बेसिस
नहीं, वो तो एक बहुत सिंपल सी बात लिख देते हैं आइन वाले. मैं बार बार इसीलिए आइन की जो तहरीर है वो क्यों उन्होंने किया, गलत किया, कैसे किया, क्यों नहीं उन्होंने सोचा कि ऐसा सिचुएशन डेवलप हो सकता था, ये वो जाने, हमारा काम नहीं है.
ये मैंने आखिर में ये आखिरी मेरा है. आई एम ऑन माय सेकंड लास्ट सबमिशन, बट द लास्ट सबमिशन इज प्रिसाइसली दिस. इफ आई मे नाउ proceed with my second last
थोड़ा सा
submission.
स्पीड
And
करें.
जी. My lords, now looking at the proviso to clause D or paragraph D,
जी देख लिया था हमने पहले भी.
there are two things. I have to reread it for the purpose of this submission.
अभी बार बार वही चीज पढ़ रहे हैं आप. क्या
मैं सिर्फ एक चीज यहाँ पे बस दिखाना चाहता हूँ कि the independent returned candidates or candidates who may duly join a political party, they add on to the tally. Now here the independent returned candidate is joining a political party. After joining this political party, he becomes a member of that political party. And when he becomes a member of that political party, on account of such membership, and after oath having been administered to him, he must necessarily become member of parliamentary party of that party. If I may take your lordships to clause 2 of Article 63A, I'll first read it out and then I'll make my submission. Clause 2 of Article 63A, sir. A member of a house shall be deemed to be a member of a parliamentary party if he, comma, having been elected as a candidate or nominee of a political party which constitutes the parliamentary party in the house. Take a pause here, sir.
Sorry, I missed it.
Clause 2 of Article 63A, sir.
63A. अच्छा, okay, I was reading 63. A.
I'd reread it. A member of a house shall be deemed to be a member of a parliamentary party if he, having been elected as a candidate or nominee of a political party which constitutes the parliamentary party in the house. A pause here. So,
तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि पॉलिटिकल पार्टी पार्लियामेंट में नहीं होती. पॉलिटिकल पार्टी के जो नॉमिनेटेड कैंडिडेट्स होते हैं वो होते हैं और उनकी अपनी पार्लियामानी पार्टी होती है.
मैं इसको
पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से अलग होती है.
मैं उस पॉइंट पे नहीं, मैं यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ ये सबमिट कर रहा हूँ कि for a political party to have a parliamentary party in the house, its candidates or nominees must have succeeded in the elections to constitute that parliamentary party. Now, if I may read the language after. Or, having been elected otherwise than as a candidate or nominee of a political party, now this is independent, has become a member of such parliamentary party after such elections. The effect of this is that an independent returned candidate who becomes a member can only join such parliamentary party of a political party whose at least one member, one candidate or nominee must have succeeded in the elections to constitute that parliamentary party.
It's after the constitution of the parliamentary party.
That is when he takes oath and becomes a member of the House.
But that at that point in time, the joining of that independent with that political party is entirely irrelevant for purposes of.
मैं उसी पे ही बात रहा हूँ sir. Now when you're looking at
It's entirely irrelevant.
now my proceedings. Now let me proceed with my submissions here.
Prior to all of this.
I just now want to make a
इधर
submission.
ही सवाल आ जाता है ना, इसमें जरा क्लियर कर दें, because I couldn't find the provision. How does a party become a parliamentary party? Which provision governs that?
My lord, parliamentary party is not defined in the constitution. 63A is a provision which deals with parliamentary party, and clause 2 is the clause which explains what will be a parliamentary party, and that's about
I
it.
mean, in the rules of business of the parliament or whatever, I mean, how do we, what's the act? I mean, when does it become a parliamentary party? When they take oath?
No. It flows from here. So anyone who has returned as a candidate or nominee on a political party's ticket will become a member of parliamentary party of that party, or will constitute a parliamentary party of that
The
party.
minute he takes oath.
And when an independent wants to join a parliamentary party, he has to join such parliamentary party. In other words, independents cannot form a parliamentary
आप
party.
अगर
There
दोबारा-
can't be any independent
इसको
parliamentary
अगर दोबारा
bloc.
पढ़ लेना, दोबारा अगर इसको पढ़ लें, having been elected as a candidate or nominee of a
जी.
political party, वो
Yes.
फिर हम उसमें चले जाएंगे 66 में सर्टिफिकेट पे,
Yes, मैं आपको ला रहा हूँ
affiliation
वापस.
सर्टिफिकेट वाला बंदा.
I'm taking you back there. मैं यहाँ पे सिर्फ ये पॉइंट आपको बता रहा था. एक पॉइंट वो ये कि पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी तो होगी वो जो फर्स्ट पार्ट है. इंडिपेंडेंट ने इसी पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी को ज्वाइन करना है जिसका कोई कैंडिडेट या नॉमिनी जीत के आया हो. नाउ वी गो बैक टू क्लॉज पैराग्राफ डी, प्रोवाइजो पैराग्राफ डी.
Sorry, here is something new for me. The political party automatically transforms into, if let's rephrase it, if there are some elected people of a political party in the National Assembly, they don't have to do anything, they automatically transform into a parliament party. Is this correct?
Yes.
So the political party inside the parliament is referred to as the
Parliamentary party of that political party, and the independents
Why the two distinctions?
Yeah,
why
why not?
can't we just stick with political party?
Yeah,
What was the reason for
For the
this?
purposes of 63A, sir, parliamentary party becomes relevant as opposed to political party because the decisions for the purposes of 63A under clause 1 are to be taken by the parliamentary party, the majority of parliamentary party or the parliamentary party.
एक क्वेश्चन पहले भी किया था शायद ने कि क्या विद इन 3 days जो इंडिपेंडेंट है वो अपनी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी फॉर्म कर सकते हैं?
My lord, theoretically speaking, I am now talking about a political party, not parliamentary party.
Yes,
They
political
could,
party.
but that political party will not become a parliamentary party for the purpose of 63A because for the independent, they will remain independents for the purposes of 63A.